Lust is the silent killer. It doesn't scream, it whispers. It tricks you into trading your future for 5 seconds of escape. And if you don't fight it, it will rot your discipline, your confidence, and your purpose. You know the cycle. You scroll, you watch, you indulge. Then comes the guilt, the shame, the regret. You say you'll stop tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Because lust doesn't just want your attention, it wants your soul, your ambition, your fire. Here's the truth. Lust thrives in idleness. It feeds on boredom, isolation, and dopamine overload. You don't beat it by wishing it away. You beat it by becoming too focused to fall. Cut the triggers. Set hard boundaries. Replace the urge with purpose. Workout, cold shower, deep work. You train your brain the same way you train your body, through pain, repetition, and refusal to quit. Lust wants to keep you weak, distracted, soft. But you weren't born to be weak. You were born to conquer, not just the world, but yourself. Every time you say no to lust, you're saying yes to greatness. You're sharpening your mind, building your discipline, and reclaiming your power. Stop letting lust win. Subscribe if you're ready to fight back. Because this journey, it's for the focused, the hungry, and the unbreakable.